and we're hungry. In fact, some of us were so hungry we already ran off inside. We are on day 6 of hashtag road tripping with RNM and History TV 18. And we are now at this iconic place which is famous. You ask anybody in Vijayawada where to come for breakfast in the morning, and chances are they're going to say, come to this place. SSS Idli in Acharya Ranganagar, Ben Circle in Vijayawada. And like I said, some of us have already gone in. Let's go and see what Rocky's up to.
Good morning, good morning. बहुत अच्छा हुआ आप लोग यहाँ पर आ गए. It's a beautiful morning in Vijayawada. My friend is talking too much while I'm doing all the hard work and ordering the excellent food. And this morning it's all about simplicity. Look at the simplicity and the beauty of this place. All they have on the menu is idli. If you order one, it's for 15 rupees. And it's a square idli. So be warned. If you order 2, they're for 30. If you order 3, they're for 45. If you order 4, they're for 60. If you order 5, they're for 75. There's a menu up there that explains it very succinctly and clearly. And what is special about this? You already started eating.
Hot idli, when you come to eat breakfast, remember you have to eat it really hot. SSS Idli was started 35 years ago by the father of the current owner, Mr. Prasad. And here's the amazing thing. They do just one thing. That is these beautiful, soft, fluffy idlis. So anytime you're in Vijayawada, 7 days a week, from like 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 4:30 to 9:30 p.m., you come here and you ask for as many idlis. If you want variety, you just ask for 3 more.
And they're excellent indeed. The idli is nice and airy. It's a flat idli, not rounded in the middle and thick like it usually is. What this means is that it's very even. It's very even, and it has that beautiful consistency. Once you put it in chutney, it starts absorbing all the chutney that it can, which is the quintessential requirement for a good idli. And because we are in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh region, there is a chili chutney with it, there is a beautiful coconut chutney with it, and there is this very special pori powder which you have to eat to believe. They could also actually make their own ghee, which would be a complicated setup. So what they've done is taken the simplest way out. You get a packet of ghee and you can buy as many of these as you want and pour them all over your idlis when you eat them. I love this concept. So simple.
Fabulous. And here's the funny thing, or the nice thing, is that this is a very typical Andhra style of idli. It's not the grainy, tight idlis that you will get in Udupi. This is really soft and fluffy, and like Rocky said, it absorbs everything really nicely. This place is famous not just for the quality of the idli, but because the podi is famous. Sometimes they say that people come just to eat the podi, and they keep coming back.
But the thing that's highlighted for me over here, as I'm eating this idli, is that it is purely elegant and simple. There is a thatched roof. There is a sense of cleanliness, almost like going to school early in the morning. Everybody sitting on their table, finger on their lips. There's complete silence over here. He is the only one making a noise and disturbing everybody. Everybody else is sitting calmly and quietly and eating their idlis without a sound. It's almost like a meditative situation over here. If I didn't know better, I would be standing on one leg and praying while eating my idli, which I'm not doing.
Please do it. Just more idlis for me.
While everybody is enjoying their breakfast, there are very hard-working people bringing you the flavors and tastes of all across India. And don't just take our word for it. Turn around over there is our friend Praveen Traveller on YouTube. Hi, Praveen. Sorry to disturb you. Please go back to what you're doing. Praveen is a YouTuber, and we found him here this morning working hard to bring you the taste of India. What sacrificing people we are. Praveen, my love and respect to you. Early in the morning, you're working. Very good, very good. A beautiful experience. So when you're in Vijayawada, come down to SSS Idli, relax over here early in the morning, listen to some nice music when you come, so you're in a good mood, sit, smile in one corner and marvel at the simplicity, the beauty of simplicity and the incredible richness of taste and wealth of flavor that simplicity can provide you. Like me, I'm so simple. This is the whole thing was, and I was talking about myself because I'm a simple kind of guy.
Yeah.
And simplicity is my beauty.
You know,
also.
simple also means simple, yeah.
And that's not that kind of simple.